Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope that all of you out there are doing well today. So for today's video, we are actually going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. If you're not familiar with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it is a beauty subscription from Ipsy which costs $25 per month and you receive 5 full-size beauty products each month, and the value of the box is at least $120. So with that said, let's go ahead, dive in and see what we have in this month's box. When you receive the box each month, it comes in this pretty pink box with Ipsy on the front. And on the other side is just my address bar, so we won't turn that over. Let's go ahead and open the box. Now, I've already kind of pre-sliced them just to save a little bit of time. And always every month inside the box, it has the wording, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." And I absolutely love that saying. I know I say it every month, but I think it's absolutely beautiful because that is so true. There's nothing better than being true to who you are. Anyhow, when we open up the box, the first thing I am pulling out is the card that they include each month. And this one as well says, "Find Your Light." And it says September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? And that's what that looks like. And inside it has a listing of the products that we'll receive inside of the box. So I'll give you a quick glance at that. And I did know of one item at least that I was receiving. So, okay, I'll keep that handy so I can reference it for whatever needs to be referenced. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is from Glam Glow. And this is the Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Now, I currently use a cleanser by Glam Glow and I absolutely love it. So I'm super excited to get this. The one that I use now is not an exfoliating cleanser. It's just a regular cleanser and I'm running low, so I will be repurchasing that. So this is such a nice to have. Now I can have one that just cleanses and one that cleanses and exfoliates. I really do love the products that I've tried so far from Glam Glow. So let's go ahead, I'll go ahead and open this since I know I'm going to use it and see. I was trying to pull the top off. Maybe there's no safety seal. There's no safety seal. Duh, Theo, hold on. Oh, okay. It almost looks like the color of chocolate milk to me. I don't know what you see on that. And let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, you can feel the little, you can even see them. I don't think you can see it on camera, but you can see the little grit in there. Okay. And it's not rough at all, but obviously it's a cleanser, so you don't want it to be too rough on your face. It feels really good, really creamy, which I like. Yes. Okay. I am super excited about this product. Like I said, I love Glam Glow and I can always use a really good cleanser. So I'm looking forward to adding this to my skincare routine. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out the box is from Ciate, London, and it's Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And it says Loose Translucent Setting Powder. So I guess this is just a translucent powder. And it says, apply generously to areas with concealer to bake and set makeup. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and sweep off the excess for a crease-free, soft focus finish. And it says lightly dust oil-prone areas using a large fluffy brush for a soft touch and a matte finish. Okay, let's pull this out and see what it looks like. Most times I don't use a translucent powder. I prefer to have a powder that has a little bit of tint to it so there's not as much flashback if I'm taking pictures. But I do have a sample size of the Laura Mercier powder, translucent powder, and I actually do like that. But like I said, most of my powders have a little bit of tint to it. Oh, that's such a pretty container. Look at that. Huh. Okay. It looks like this is about, I guess that this is a full size, but it looks like it's like half full with powder. And I'm sure that it's a little sifter there. Now, I know Ciate London is a good brand. I'm just not sure if I'm going to be using this powder or not. So I'm not going to open it all the way. I'm going to put it back in the box and decide whether or not I want to try this or whether or not I want to pass it on or give it away. Okay. But it's definitely a nice to have. And the retail value of this is $22. So it is definitely a full size. So we'll go ahead and set that aside. And if I didn't tell you, the Glam Glow cleanser is $34. The next thing I am pulling out of here is a brow pencil, and it's from Wander Beauty. I know it's a brow pencil because I just saw it on the card. And it is in the color dark brown. Actually, dark brown might work for me if I can get this open. Let's see. Okay, it's very thin, which is nice for a brow pencil. And let's see. Let's go ahead and get some of that cleanser off my hand. Okay, it's a nice deep brown. And the feels like it's a little, maybe just because it's new, it's a little hard to come, you have to press a little hard to get some good color, but it could just be because it's new. But there you go. It is definitely a nice deep brown. It is definitely a nice dark brown color. Great. So I could definitely use this as well. I don't do my brows a lot, but a lot of times I would prefer probably a dark brown as to a deep black, because I'm not, I don't really like eyebrows really, for me, really dark. It just makes me feel like I look really strange. Hence why you see I don't really do my eyebrows a lot. Even though I kind of want to start playing with them a little bit, but it just kind of makes me nervous. I don't, I feel like I'm looking all weird and stuff. Okay, but anyway, the next item we have in here is from Ilamasqua. Am I pronouncing that right? Ilamasqua? That's what it looks like. And it says Ilamasqua Antimatter Lipstick in Midnight. So this is a lipstick. And I absolutely love getting lipsticks. I'm just kind of like a lipstick hoarder. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Did I show it to you in the case? I popped it out. That's what the packaging looks like. Very pretty, very sleek. Now let's open it up. When I open it up, that's what that color looks like. I think it's absolutely stunning. Very nice. I already have lipstick on, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I love that gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous shade of red. Oh, I can't wait to try that out. Especially now with fall coming, I think that will be absolutely fabulous. Love it, love it, love it. All right, Ipsy, I'm seeing you, I'm seeing you. I like this. It's a really pretty good box. Okay, now the last item in the box is a palette. It is from Nomad, and it is their Berlin Underground palette. Now, I have never heard of or tried anything from Nomad Cosmetics, but I did see someone else showing this palette off, and I thought it was very, very pretty. That's what the back looks like. And this says it's a special edition for Ipsy, so it's not for sale. That's what the packaging looks like outside of the box. And then on the back, nothing special, but let me go ahead and open this up. Oh my God, this is very, very pretty. Very pretty. All right. Some of the shadow is coming off there. And this is what that looks like. Those shades are absolutely stunning. Let me just go ahead and take the plastic off. Look at that. How pretty are those? Oh, gosh. I absolutely, absolutely love these. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And I so want to swatch them. I do. I just want to stick my little fingers all in this palette, but I am not going to do it because I said, actually, this was the item that I knew I was getting. I knew I was getting an eyeshadow palette, and I'd already said before I got it that I'm going to pass this on to someone else. So with this, I'm probably actually going to do a giveaway at some point. I have a ton boxes of eyeshadow palettes sitting over there that I have not swatched yet, that I have not reviewed yet, that I've purchased and just haven't gotten around to. So I'm not going to keep this. I am going to pass it on to hopefully someone who can get some really good use out of it and benefit from it a little bit more than I will, because I'll probably swatch it, maybe even wear it a couple of times, and to be quite honest, it'll probably just sit on my dresser or in my makeup drawer. So I'm going to share. Okay guys, well that was everything that I received in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I absolutely love it. Just to recap, we got this beautiful palette, and this is valued at $37. We got the lipstick, which I am in love with, and this is valued at $27. We got the Glam Glow cleanser, which I can't wait to use, and this is valued at $34. We got a dark brown brow pencil, and this brow pencil from Wander Beauty is valued at $21. And then we also got the translucent powder from Ciate London, and this is valued at $22. So the total value of this month's box is $141 for all of the items. I think that is absolutely a steal for a $25 box. They really do a really good job. There really hasn't been too many times where I've received Ipsy Glam Bag and not liked it, because every month the value is always there. Even if it's something that you're not going to use, you can pass it on to someone else, give it as a gift. There's so many different things that you could do with the products that you receive within the box. But anyway, guys, I'm not going to keep rambling. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I definitely appreciate it. Before you go, if you consider subscribing, turning the notification bell, and hitting that like button, I'd appreciate that too. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.